I'm going to unbox Flipkart Smartbuy 5in1 Soldering machine. So let's begin. So this is the bill. You can see this. And this is the Flipkart Smartbuy user guide. This is the Flipkart Smartbuy box. So on the back side you can see many things are given. So let's unbox this package. So this is the soldering plug Flipkart Smartbuy, and this is the soldering wire, and this is the main soldering machine which is Flipkart Smartbuy company, and this is the stand and one wire cutter. So let's see these products. So this is the wire cutter. Let's unbox this. You can see this is nice wire cutter. Company is not written in this, and one lock is also given. Let's see other products. So this is the stand. We can set this and make this stand. And this is the Flipkart Smartbuy soldering machine. And this is the cable from which you will connect. And on here you can see it is written Flipkart Smartbuy. And here one indicator is also given, LED indicator. So this was done by soldering machine. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this.